Hello, and welcome to today's session. Learning Outcome 4 focuses on the ability to test and evaluate a computer program. Have you ever wondered how developers ensure a program works correctly and meets user needs? In this session, we'll explore the principles of software testing using a task management app as our example. We'll examine different testing methods, from identifying bugs to assessing performance, and look at the evaluation criteria that help determine whether the app truly delivers a quality user experience. By the end, you'll understand how systematic testing and evaluation make software reliable and effective. This unit focuses on programming principles using Python. Python is versatile, used for applications, scripting, and automation. It's common in AI, machine learning, and data analytics. We'll apply these principles to test a task management app. Understanding Python's role in testing is crucial for software development. Testing is a critical phase in software development. It ensures the program functions correctly and meets requirements. We'll outline a comprehensive approach to testing a task management app. This includes key testing methodologies, techniques, and evaluation criteria. Ensuring defect-free software is our primary goal. Various testing types validate different application aspects. Unit testing checks individual components in isolation. Integration testing examines interactions between components. Functional testing ensures the app meets specified requirements. User acceptance testing verifies it meets end-user expectations. Unit testing involves testing individual components. For example, testing the add task function verifies task addition. It isolates functions to ensure they work as expected. This testing is crucial for identifying errors early. Python's unit test module is often used for this purpose. Integration testing checks component interactions. Testing the workflow from adding to deleting a task is an example. It ensures components work together correctly. This testing type is vital for complex applications. It helps identify issues in component interactions. Functional testing validates the app's functionality. It checks if the app displays tasks and manages them correctly. Manual steps involve adding, editing, and deleting tasks. This testing ensures the app meets requirements. It's crucial for verifying user interactions. User acceptance testing involves target users. It verifies the app meets their needs and expectations. Users perform typical tasks like adding and editing tasks. Feedback is collected on usability and functionality. This testing ensures the app is intuitive and user-friendly. Automated testing uses tools to run tests efficiently. Python's unit test and PyTest are popular for automation. Manual testing involves testers interacting with the app. It identifies issues through predefined test cases. Both methods provide comprehensive coverage. Evaluation criteria assess the program's effectiveness. Functionality checks if the app meets requirements. Usability evaluates ease of use and navigation. Performance measures efficiency under load. Security ensures protection against vulnerabilities. A test plan ensures thorough testing of the app. It identifies elements needing testing, like task management functions. The plan outlines test cases and expected results. Applying black box and white box testing is essential. It covers data structures and logical pathways. Analyzing test results involves comparing actual and expected outcomes. It identifies discrepancies and corrective actions. Documentation and reports track the testing process. Corrective actions are annotated for failed test cases. This ensures issues are systematically addressed. User testing validates usability from the end user's perspective. It involves planning, recruiting participants, and preparing scenarios. Users perform tasks like adding and editing tasks. Feedback is collected and analyzed for improvements. Implementing feedback ensures a user-friendly app. Solution handover involves detailed documentation and recommendations. It covers integration, installation, deployment, and maintenance. Documentation includes user and developer guides. Recommendations ensure compatibility and smooth operation. This process is critical for successful software adoption. Evaluating against the client brief assesses if the software meets expectations. User acceptance testing gathers feedback from users. Functionalities are compared with the original brief. The evaluation ensures the app meets client requirements. Recommendations address any identified issues. UAT scenarios reflect typical app usage. Adding a new task involves navigating to the Add Task screen. Editing tasks requires selecting and modifying task details. Deleting tasks ensures removal from the list. Validation testing checks error message display for invalid inputs. Feedback is crucial for identifying app improvements. Users provide insights on navigation, task management, and error messages. Recommendations include improving edit functionality and validation. Enhancing button responsiveness is also suggested. Implementing these ensures a better user experience. Conclusion: testing and evaluating a computer program is essential to ensure it fulfills its requirements and operates as intended. By employing unit, integration, functional, and user acceptance testing, the application's reliability and performance are systematically validated. Utilizing both automated and manual testing methodologies provides comprehensive coverage, identifying potential issues early and enhancing overall quality. This structured approach results in a robust, efficient, and user-friendly task management application. Need help or have questions? WhatsApp us at 0748-436-1688 and our team will be happy to assist. Thanks for joining us today and see you soon.